actually reach out to say like, yo, we need to work out on the thing, you know. People will really do that support, because when them ears are broke.
I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light.
Look who I'm with today, my sugar daddy. Oh my god. Alright, so guys, we have so much errands to run today. We are heading to pharmacy. So we have pharmacy run. We're gonna have to stop at Price Mart to get some diapers for our sugar, and yeah, and hopefully we can get some food on the way too, because I'm hungry. My head hurt me. I'm hungry. But I am so grateful that I don't have to do it alone, you know, because I keep saying, and I say it over and over and over again, like me really need one thing to hold the phone. I say it over and over and over again. I am grateful that I don't have to do this alone, because like all today when I feel so tired and stressed out, I'm afraid for last I have my designated driver. Chauffeur driver, passenger princess I am. Yes I am, passenger princess. I love this life for me. So I'm really grateful. I may tell you publicly, I tell you privately, I tell you publicly. I am super grateful. So thankful for the day when you ask me, say, you're hungry? You have to go buy your lunch at canteen for you. I look at things saying they go buy me lunch. Look at you now. Eh? Look at us now. Yeah. So may I tell you over and over and over, so I'm grateful. So I don't have to do it alone, because I have a partner that is holding me up. And wait. For the people that want to spread the rumor, so we left. People that will back up the entire storyline behind we leave it. We left, right? So them say, well, they left because he have one woman. And therefore, then they give one pretty woman in a story. Good looking girl, shape good girl, you know. Yeah, because she have to bring up my batting average, because the worst thing if I get one and then the woman where I get one with ugly and then they bring down your average. I don't like that. I hope I want pretty girl. Yeah. So them say, you have one woman and me and him left because I find out about two woman, and him wicked, you know, a wicked man, you know, because he left me in that time and the stress by myself. At least they never make me villain in a story. You didn't make a villain. But guys, I assure you, we are good. We are good. All is well with us. Our relationship is just as strong as ever. We don't have any issues relationship wise. We are good. Thanks be to God, because a lot of people break apart when these kind of struggles come, you know. A lot of time the man they left it woman, and that is a fact, because it's a lot. The stress is real, and sometimes people don't know how to deal with it, and then communication issue come in, and then other marital issues come in, and it plays a part in breaking up families. So we just want to say, no, we're still together, we're still good, we are still, yeah, very much the same as how we have always been. Batty and bench, you can't see one without the other. Yeah. But and thank you for the persons who really actually reach out to say like, yo, we need to work out on the thing, you know. People will really do that support, because when them ears will break up, them did feel it. So yeah, you know, but no, we're still together. I posted the caption, we broke up, but it does not mean that we broke up. It was just a play on words, right? Never run, me no run them joke there with my marriage, none at all. Divorce and them, me no run them joke there, me no run them the joke there, none at all, right? Okay, so as I said, we have so much errands to run, and we're in Sunshine City. Yeah, Portmore for sure, the Ensure place. So we're doing that now.
Mosquito place.
Mosquito place. Yeah, so we're doing that now, and as I said, we have quite a few stops to make. Watch Antoinette texts me. Let me get back to her, because I don't want she done me and rub me out.
You alive?
You ask me if I'm alive, you're shameless. You'll be shameless. Oh God. Joke serve line is forever long. Tired. Jeez. That's my price feet. Thank you, T man. Jeez. I feel nice. My foot would feel good, funny. People. I'm not like gonna with the man and watch him. Grouch. Grouch. Ooh, them shit look nice. Ask him what you want, your lady.
You know remember me?
No.
You know me? You know Amanda? You used to work there? Amanda Foot? Oh, so you know me?
You know Amanda Foot?
Amanda used to work off merchandise.
Oh.
You want Amanda?
I don't remember.
You want Amanda?
Yeah.
And your daughter?
You know him? I used to work with Nixon.
You used to work with Mr. Nixon, God Nixon?
Yeah.
Oh. Eh? Really, you don't know a lady?
But me know you. How your name so big?
Yeah, name is big.
Oh, Lord.
You know me. You know me one chicken breast this season with him.
We have been say, boy, Ace would have glad. Ace would have living best life, you know? Watch out. All them favorites in one row. Oh my God. Alright. Okay. Where next thing? Pampas. Don't I? The end section. Boy one. By 5T. A 3T to 14 with the buy what there. 86 coming at 5T. And I see your money. Do it for now. Have the children from now, miss. Yeah, that's them. That'll do the party train now, don't it? Yeah. Oh yes, yes, miss. It's expensive. Alright, I'm gonna get it. Get a 3T to 40. Achoo. You can't say that. You have to populate the earth. Eh? It's nice, man. What's it? 46,000. Yeah, you can cut a look of stuff. Yeah, look there. Garbage disposal. And then they have that like a party here. We run over. You can wash veg. I love this. I when Price Mart gets an extra. See, you see why it's important to walk and look. You see other things. Ooh, look at this too. Ooh. It's really nice. And then industrial kitchen stuff too. Price Mart happening. I want to tone the stay so. You feel so? Maybe that's why, yeah. Maybe it's still such true, but true. Because one time we go and you always say, come on, come on. And you know, I'm going to forget like a browsing. Yeah? Yeah, I will about my browsing. So, Eh? You don't think it nasty? It nasty. Jamaicans eat nasty things. But it's nice. I'll
from the cow.
what that's on the name? Manish water. What next nasty so that you know? What? With the goat teeth? Nice, but it's nasty.
Imagine if I got slaughterhouse.
If I got slaughterhouse? Yeah, it's still nasty. What doesn't stop it from nice?
You go there, you see the problem.
Oh man, I've been. I have been. Yeah, I have a degree in agricultural science. I have actually killed a cow. I've impregnated them too. Yeah, with a catheter. Yes, put the sperm in there. Pig, cow. Yeah. So I don't see my stomach. I'm just saying that other cultures would not eat this nastiness. But that not stop it from nice. Okay, sir. Oh yeah, I don't see that. Your ear neaty? Oh my god. Wait, let me get you for the vlog. Oh my god. It is so neat. It rasps. Wait, don't lock it and then twist it around.
Yeah.
It needs. I like it. Okay. Thank you so much for my cow skin.
Yeah, man.
Have a good day. This whole line it back, man. Hold on. Let's show the people the nice cow skin. So, yes. My phone is not my own. My phone is not my own.